To unbox your new Wike Junior trailer, slide the stainless steel tow bar over and lift up. Grab the Wike Junior and move it out of the box. Assembling the trailer is just as fast, meaning you're only moments away from being ready to ride. Begin by unfolding the trailer by pushing the folding bar back and down into position. You can now lock the trailer into an upright position using the attached safety pin. On the right side, assemble the tow bar into the forward hole. Lock the tow bar into place from the outside with the attached safety pin, and then for extra security, secure the bar in place using the hairpin inside of the trailer. To assemble the wheels, push the quick release center button on the axle and insert the axle into the receiver on the rear of the trailer. Make sure it is locked into place. We also include 2 rubber axle caps that you can pop on to the center once the wheels are locked into place. Lastly, you can slide the regulation safety flag to the back of your trailer in the specified slots. The Wike Junior is equipped with many features and safety options to keep your little one safe. For instance, there are 2 5-point padded harnesses and a seat belt, one in front of each child so they can be buckled in safely. They're easy to use as they just click in. There's a large underseat storage compartment available inside of the trailer, as well as 2 toy pockets, one on each side for each child. The trailer has a large front opening, making it easy to load the kids in and out of. There are also 2 screens attached to the front of the trailer using Velcro straps, with the screens easily rolling down when you need them. The top screen is a full rain screen in case of rain, inclement weather, or cold in the wintertime. Use them together, or you can roll up the rain screen and Velcro it back to the top of the trailer where it was before, and use the bug screen by itself. The mesh on the bug screen allows for plenty of airflow on warmer days while still keeping bugs out of the trailer. Be sure to secure the screen to both sides of the Velcro beneath the large front opening. Your Wike Junior comes with 2 20-inch alloy trailer wheels with a push-button release. There is reflective tape on the sides and back of the trailer, as well as a deep storage area along the back of the trailer. The trailer is made with a dual frame roll cage, creating stronger side impact protection. Our trailer frames will not crack on impact. There is also an additional safety strap that you can run through the frame of your bicycle and clip back into the tow bar. For more information on this product or the rest of our lineup, please visit www.wike.ca.